Hey loves, we are back again with another hairstyle, and this one is a 100% quick and easy jumbo twist you can do with Brazilian wool, which is less than $1. So if you are interested on how we achieve this look, you definitely want to keep on watching. So hey guys, the first thing you want to do is to pre-section your hair, and as you can see guys, I already pre-parted my hair into like 20 sections because we are actually doing a jumbo twist. So guys, I'll be using a Brazilian wool, and I used a total of 6 packs of Brazilian wool, and also I'm going to be using a gel. This is literally optional, but I wanted something sleek for my jumbo twist. And then we are going to be using rubber band because we are not gripping from the root. So this is a very easy style for people that doesn't know how to grip their hair from the roots to twist or to braid. So guys, we're also going to be using the crochet needle. So guys, I went ahead to secure the section with a rubber band, and then I went ahead to pass the crochet needle underneath the rubber band so I can be able to easily pull the Brazilian wool underneath the section and be able to twist easily. Then I'm going ahead to slick down my hair with the gel so it can sink in with the Brazilian wool. So guys, I'm using 18 strands of Brazilian wool. If you want your twist to be bigger than this, you can go for 20-25 strands of Brazilian wool, but I am using 18, and because this is literally what I wanted, the size of the twist I wanted.
Tell ya, fuck emotions, fuck the feelings, yeah. Nigga, you gon' play too much, then get your feelings hurt. That nigga is a munch, he gon' eat it, yeah. Said you don't play with your lunch, cause you got feelings, yeah. Said you like me, can't find no one like it. I'm not all wife things, just looking for a sighting. But I can't hide it, I'm falling for your shitings. So I won't fight it, damn, you got me back again.
So guys, I'm going to be explaining this one more time. So I'm going ahead to use the gel to slick down this section in place because we don't want the hair to look anyhow or somehow. So I'm using the gel to slick down this section and then brushing my edges into place because I really did not want to do any edges. So this is just me, and then I'm going ahead to secure the section with the rubber band. Please guys, be careful because you don't want to make this too tight because we are actually taking the Brazilian wool underneath that section, underneath the rubber band. So we're going to place our crochet needle and then place the Brazilian wool and then pull to the other side so that the Brazilian wool can pass underneath the rubber band. So this is literally all I did because it is so easy. You want to make sure the Brazilian wool are staying equal because you don't want your twist to be longer than the other. So what you want to do is place your hair to 2 sections and then you start twisting, and that is literally all it is. So what you want to do is twist, and then I also went ahead to use the gel to slick down my hair so it can blend with the Brazilian wool. And guys, I was actually watching a K-drama series. You guys know when I'm braiding my hair, that's one thing I can't do with that. So you want to continue that process till you are done with your hair.
Better for us, better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us, We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back.
Get what you give, so if I give you my love, then I should get something back. You move so unusual, I'm stuck in your mind, girl. Your mystery is incredible. You take me back again.
Didn't I tell ya, fuck emotions, fuck the feelings, yeah. Nigga, you gon' play too much, then get your feelings hurt. That nigga is a munch, he gon' eat it, yeah. Said you don't play with your lunch, cause you got feelings, yeah. Said you like me, can't find no one like it. I'm not a wife, things just looking for a sighting. I can't hide it, I'm falling for your shitings, so I won't fight it. Damn, you got me back again. Better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us, We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back.
Get what you give, so if I give you my love, then I should get something back. You move so unusual, I'm stuck in your mind, girl. Your mystery is incredible. You take me back again.
Didn't I tell ya, fuck emotions, fuck the feelings, yeah. Nigga, you gon' play too much, then get your feelings hurt. That nigga is a munch, he gon' eat it, yeah. Said you don't play with your lunch, cause you got feelings, yeah. Said you like me, can't find no one like it. I'm not a wife, things just looking for a sighting. I can't hide it, I'm falling for your shitings, so I won't fight it. Damn, you got me back again. Better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us, We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back, That ain't for us, but better for us. We find this love, ain't no taking it back.
Get what you give, so if I give you my love, then I should get something back. You move so unusual, I'm stuck in your mind, girl. Your mystery is incredible. You take me back again.
I tell ya, fuck emotions, fuck the feelings, yeah. Nigga, you gon' play too much, then get your feelings hurt. That nigga is a munch, he gon' eat it, yeah. Said you don't play with your lunch, cause you got feelings, yeah. Said you like me, can't find no one like it. I'm not all wife things, just looking for a sighting. I can't hide it, I'm falling for your sightings, so I won't fight it. Damn, you got me back again.
So guys, this is what I'm looking like, and this is the hair I just made by myself with less than $1, and I am so loving this hairdo. It's giving what it's supposed to be giving, babies. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're going to try it out, please comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if there's your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, keep staying fabulous and stay blessed. Bye babies.